going to show you Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. It's in the key of A, and you've got bass notes are A, D, and E. Now when they play it, they go A, A. That's the opening line on the bass line. You've got A, A, and then your treble goes A, B, A, E, C sharp, B, A. Now in his piece, he keeps that going through the piece. But I can't play that and the chords and the bass and the melody because he's singing the melody. I'm going to show you the chords also. You've got A, A, A. Now your A chord is A, C sharp, E. C, A, C sharp, E. You take the E down there, so you've got the chord. When you go to a D, all you got to do is slide, you keep the A and you slide the C sharp to the D, you slide the E to the F sharp. So you're going to go from this chord, you're going to go to this chord. D, back to A. And then when you go to an E chord, all you do is slide these two notes down to G sharp and B. You keep the E, because your E chord, 1, 3, 5 on E, it's a white, black, white, E major chord with a G sharp in the middle. So you've got A chord, E, A, C sharp, D chord, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, D, and then you've got an E chord. Now the only reason I show you the chords is if somebody wanted to sing and all you wanted to do was accompaniment. Now I'm going to show you the melody. The melody is C sharp, B, A, C sharp, E, C sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, singing on E, C sharp, E, C sharp, E, C sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, A, B, A, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C, D, C, C sharp, B, B, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, F sharp, sharp, E, F sharp, D, F sharp, A, F sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, D, E, E, D, B. And then we'll end with, this is a message to you, and that's going to go A, 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 B, A, C sharp, B, A. I like to play that with both hands. So here we go from the beginning. So that introduction is A, 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 B, A, E, C sharp, B, A. And once I get to the melody, I'll just hit a single bass note. C sharp, B, A. Go to the D. There's your E. Down to the D. Of course, as always, if you want to get the letter note transcription of that, you want to be able to see it and have it so that you can work it out slowly. You've got all the notes there, you've got the lyrics on there, Download it for free. LetterNotePlayer.com has your bass progression. It has the chords that I mentioned. You've got the introduction, your right hand melody, and then hands together. LetterNotePlayer.com.